To understand Zopa login, it is essential to start with the basics of what Zopa is. Zopa is a peer-to-peer lending company that allows borrowers to borrow money from investors. The Zopa login process is a crucial step for both borrowers and investors to access their accounts and manage their activities. The first step in the Zopa login process is to go to the Zopa website. Once on the website, you will see a login button at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will take you to the login page where you will be required to enter your email address and password. If you are a new user, you will need to sign up for an account before you can log in. To sign up, click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to enter your personal details and create a password. It is crucial to choose a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your account. After entering your email address and password, click on the Login button to access your account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset your password. Once you have logged in, you will be able to view your account dashboard. This is where you can view your loan balance, repayment schedule, and other account details. Investors can also view their investment portfolio and track their returns. To ensure the security of your account, it is essential to log out when you have finished using the Zopa website. You can do this by clicking on the Log Out button at the top right corner of the page. Best practices for Zopa login include using a strong and unique password, keeping your password confidential, and logging out when you have finished using the website. It is also essential to keep your account information up to date to ensure that you receive important notifications and updates from Zopa. In conclusion, understanding Zopa login is a straightforward process that requires you to go to the Zopa website, enter your email address and password, and click on the Login button. By following the steps outlined in this guide and practicing good security habits, you can securely access your Zopa account and manage your activities with ease.